Pete the Cat, the big win. Pete the Cat is at bat. Will he hit the ball? Pete swings. He missed. Strike one. Here comes a pitch. Pete swings. He missed. Strike two. Pete swings a third time. Strike three. Pete is not sad. He did his best. Pete is in the field. Here comes a ball. Will Pete catch it? It's hit his mitt. Yippee! Pete wins the big game. Pete the Cat, the Bus Stop by James Dean. Pete the Cat got a job. He's a bus driver. Pete is at the bus stop. He honks the horn. Two cats hop on. A dog hops on at the next stop. Pete drives a rocky road. This is not an easy job. What job does Pete really want? Rock star. Pete the Cat rides the train by James Dean. Pete the Cat is right on time. Pete loves to ride a train. Can't wait to see his grandma. Pete, Mom, and Bob sit side by side for the train ride. Goodbye, said the engineer. Pete doesn't not want the train ride to end. Grandma is right on time. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves Grandma even more. Tired of pumpkin standing on the gate. First one said, "Oh my, getting late." Second one said, "They're busy in the air." Third one said, "That we don't get." The fourth one said, "Was one and one and one." The fifth one said, "And where the horse is wrong." Ooh, at the wind, and out went the white, and the fire of the pumpkins rolled out of sight. Okay, now let's sing it once again. Tired of pumpkins standing on the gate. First one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." Second one said, "They're busy in the air." Third one said, "That we don't get." The fourth one said, "Was one and one and one." The fifth one said, "And where the horse is wrong." Ooh, at the wind, and out went the white, and the fire of the pumpkins rolled out of sight.